hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep.
Hey guys, it's Tara and welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna start our fall cooking series. When I think of the fall, I think of warm, comforting recipes, but I want them to be easy and fast to make and super nutritious. Today, we're making a lentil rice stir fry. That's right, we're gonna use lentil rice, so it's grain-free. We're gonna use sausage, mushrooms, zucchini. You can use any kind of veggies that you love. We're only gonna need one pan, easy to make, delicious. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video. We're gonna continue this fall cooking series for a few weeks. You do not wanna miss these episodes. Be sure to click the bell icon, that way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make this super delicious lentil rice stir fry, smash that like button and let's jump right into the video. We're gonna start by chopping up our zucchini. So I'm just cutting the ends off and then I'm slicing them into rounds and then I'm gonna slice them in half. Hindsight, I should have just sliced them in half first and then cut them. It would have been simpler. Then I'm gonna add them to a bowl and set them aside. Next, we're gonna grab our garlic and I'm using roughly 5 garlic cloves. You can use more or less, depending on how much you like. And I'm just using my knife. I love these knives, by the way. I get a lot of questions about them. I will leave a link in the description box below if you'd like to see where I got mine. But you can also use a garlic press, and that's very easy. Then I'm grabbing my Portobello mushrooms. I have these large mushroom caps. You can use any kind of mushrooms that you like, or skip them if you don't like mushrooms. Next, I'm grabbing my sausage. I got this sausage from the butcher box. It's apple gouda, so delicious. Then we're gonna chop up our parsley. Then I'm gonna grate my cheese. I'm using Pecorino Romano. You're only gonna need one pan for this recipe, so it's super simple. I have not tested this inside of my Instant Pot. If you try it in the Instant Pot, leave a comment below and let us know how it turned out. But I'm gonna use this new pan I recently purchased called the Always Pan. This pan is from a company called Our Place. This video is not sponsored, but if you're on the internet or on YouTube, this pan is everywhere, all over Facebook, Instagram. I had to check out for myself to see, is the hype really worth it? Plus, I absolutely love trying out new types of equipment, especially things that are designed, supposedly, to make our lives in the kitchen easier. So let's do a quick unboxing. So let's check out this Always Pan. When I open the box, I remove the lid and the contents inside. It comes with this awesome sponge that helps make cleanup so easy, and then some instructions. I took the steamer basket out. Then I grabbed the pan. Look at this pan. This handle helps so that it does not get hot. The handle doesn't get hot, so I really like that. You can just tell this pan is very high quality. Here's the spoon. I love this spoon because it nests inside of the pan perfectly. And it looks so beautiful on top of my stove. It's 10 inches, so it's just about the perfect size for an all-around pan, and it's also deep, which is nice. Depending on how you put the lid on, if you line it up with the arrows and then you turn the lid, it makes it airtight, so that's really nice. So let's get started cooking this delicious dinner. I'm adding a drizzle of avocado oil and the mushrooms. Another thing I like about this pan is that it heats up really quickly. It also seemed like the heat was even across the entire bottom of the pan, which I really appreciate. So I'm just kind of giving this a chance to cook down. Then I'm gonna add in the sausage. If you're a vegetarian, you can skip the sausage or use veggie sausage or tofu or anything else that you like. And I'm just looking to just brown everything beautifully. Of course, I'm drinking this delicious dry red. So keep stirring everything around. I love that nothing sticks, so that's also really nice. Next, we're gonna add our garlic. I love garlic, so I typically go heavy on it. Again, you use as much or as little as you like. I did not want to add it at the beginning because I didn't want the garlic to burn. That's very important. Then we're gonna add in our zucchini. Look at how much fits into this pan. I meal prepped this for myself for 3 days. Next, we're gonna add our lentil rice. This is the plain variety. They also have a Spanish and a lemon pepper that I found, and you add equal parts water. Now the package will tell you to bring the water to a boil and then add it. So since I didn't read that until after I started, I then brought the water to a boil, and it cooked perfectly. So once I had everything nice and hot, of course I added a little bit of salt and pepper. Then I placed on the cover, I turned it so that it sealed, and then I removed it from the heat. After 10 minutes, I opened it up, fluffed everything up to a perfectly cooked dish. Now we're gonna add our grated cheese and our fresh parsley. We're gonna stir everything together. I'm telling you guys, this dish was absolutely delicious. Everyone at work was like, whose food is that? It smells so delicious. You guys have got to try this recipe. So far, I absolutely love this pan. I have not tested out the steamer basket yet, so stay tuned for an upcoming video showing how that function works. But as a non-stick ceramic pan, I was blown away by this pan. I love the fact that you can put the lid on and turn it and it's airtight. I love the fact that cleanup is a breeze. It's environmentally friendly and it doesn't have any risk of toxins in your food. Plus, the pan is beautiful. The only downside is it's not oven safe. If oven safe is something you're really interested in, you probably want to skip this pan. If there are other pans you guys use that you absolutely love, I want to know what they are. Leave them in the comments below so we can kind of get a great feel for what is new and exciting out there. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you have a chance to try it. Let me know any other recipe ideas you have in the comments below for a future episode. I'm gonna leave a playlist of some delicious fall recipes on the screen over here if you'd like to check that out. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.